How to fix Tinfoil not downloading games. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by checking out the internet connection on a device. Make sure that you are using the stable internet connection. If the connection is stable enough, the next thing you want to do is head over to the App Store. In the search bar, search for Tinfoil. Move into this app. You have to make sure that you are using the updated version. Well, if you're using the updated version, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Move into General, and then head over to iPhone Storage. Here in the search bar, you need to search for Tinfoil, and then move into it. Now tap on Offload App, and then once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Tinfoil. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.